What's happening, YouTube? On my way to an automotive show in the city of Anaheim. I got my family with me today. Just gonna take a look at some cars. I believe it's more of an EV show. Should have like some concept cars, I do believe, and maybe some new stuff that may be coming out. I'm not 100% sure, but anyway, so we're gonna be heading over there and checking it out, and we'll bring you guys along.
Like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light.
want a new car. I don't want to buy a new car.
It's real fast. Not afraid? Alright.
Have you come around this way?
Alright. Hop in, Ava.
Alright.
We need seatbelts on or
Once
no?
we get buckled up, we'll take
Alright.
off. How are you today? Good. So the Aria is our fully electric crossover. It's our second EV in the lineup. We've had the Leaf since 2011.
I haven't heard of this one. Is this
The
new?
Aria is new for 2023.
Okay, that's
So
why.
it's been out for a full year.
Okay.
It is built in Japan.
Okay.
Starting price is $43,000. A loaded Aria, you're looking around $65,000,
Okay.
and that's before any like incentives or rebates.
That's
from-
pretty reasonable for electric.
Yes. So it is definitely par for the course. It is competitively priced with all of its competitors.
I really like that lyric.
The Lyric is very beautiful. I didn't get a ride in it, but I got a chance to see inside it. It is a very beautiful car.
What's the range on this one?
The max range for the Aria is 304 miles.
Okay, that's pretty standard. Pretty typical.
It's a little higher than most actually. So as far as its like immediate competitors, they usually run the 250, 260 range.
Okay.
So 304 is actually quite good.
What's the 0 to 60?
The 0 to 60 for a dual motor is 4.8 seconds.
Woo-wee!
For
Oh,
the
yeah.
single motor, you're looking at almost 7 seconds, like 6.6, I think.
Wow.
0 to 60 in the single motor. And if you get a single motor Aria, you're looking at a front wheel drive version, where a lot of our competitors have rear wheel drive. Like the Lyric is a rear wheel drive,
Right.
which doesn't matter in like Southern California, but if you were going to any cold state, you're going to want a front wheel drive or all wheel drive versus any rear wheel drive vehicle.
Yeah, that was nice. Wow. It's quiet.
It is quiet.
Still can't get
It's
over
like a
it.
ninja. Home again, home again.
All right. Thank you for the ride. That was. We're not coloring right now. Come on. You ready? What are we going to look at next?
The Toyotas, the Prius Prime and the RAV4 Prime.
All right, let's go check it out.
There you go.
My wife is interested in one of these vehicles, so I'm gonna hop in here and see what it's like. Woo! All right. Can we all get in here? Comfortable back there? Alright. Well, here's the RAV4, the other vehicle that she was interested in, which is way better than a Prius in my opinion. This one's the plug-in hybrid, and there's way more room. Alright, we came, we saw, time to go. You have fun? I thought the car show would have a little more maybe concept vehicles, new vehicles to come, but in all reality it looked like a big advertisement for local car dealers. Most of those vehicles in there you could buy. You can go to a car dealership and buy those vehicles. In fact, I had tons of people trying to solicit sales. So it was nice if you were looking for a vehicle, if you know a particular vehicle, you could jump inside of it and see if it's the right fit for you, if you like the interior and things like that, if you were actually in the market for a new car. But just going as a car show was kind of a stretch. To me it seemed more like just a giant advertisement. But anyway, we had a good time. Thanks for coming along with us. I'll see you guys on the next one.